Rustic and farmhouse design. Our metal welcome sign is designed with the shape of bird and branch, realistic and attractive, full of rustic flavor. The colors of the birds are retro and colorful, easily bringing your room with a sense of fresh appropriate size. Our outdoor welcome sign measures about 35 cm/13.78 inches in length, lovely and eye-catching, featuring a clear and vivid cutting shape, so it can match various home decoration styles. Solid and reliable material. Our welcome signs are made of iron material, lightweight but sturdy, exquisite in workmanship, clear and firm, not easy to rust, break, or deform. To facilitate your usage, show your charms. Our welcome metal wall art is proper for various occasions, such as home, office, bedroom, living room, restaurant, shop, garden, patio, fence, hallway, and so on. Attractive and funny, which can easily brighten up your wall and catch your guests' attention. Joy of sharing. You can give these bird welcome signs to your friends, classmates, parents, children, colleagues on birthday, Christmas, Halloween, or other holidays, which will express your care and love for them. See more product details in the description to get